welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing today? I hope you are well. I'm not gonna lie, I am so excited to be getting back into vlogging and more importantly, autumn vlogging. Like, I've just got back from holiday and you would have seen the last video that went up was my holiday vlog, but you all know autumn, Christmas, Halloween, that whole time of year is my favourite, and I come live and I thrive. Let's just address the elephant in the room, by the way, my voice. I am not very well, so please just try and ignore it. I know I sound a bit crazy, but yeah, so yeah, I am so excited to be getting back into proper autumn home cozy vlogs, and I hope you guys are too. These are my favourite types of vlogs to watch, to film, all the activities. I'm just so excited. So yeah, it is Thursday today and I thought I would pick up the camera and vlog because we are going to head to a pumpkin patch on Sunday. So I thought I could bring you guys along, make it kind of like a longer, I say weekly vlog, it's not really a weekly vlog because it's already Thursday. More like a long weekend vlog than a weekly vlog, but yeah. So we're gonna head to a pumpkin patch on Sunday, maybe head to the cinema after, because you guys know we are obsessed with the cinema, we are Odeon Limitless members. Literally, even if we won the lottery, going to the cinema would still be our favourite date night. You just can't beat it, for us anyway. And Saturday I'm going shopping with my mum, so I thought I could bring you guys along and show you if I find anything fun, exciting. I am wanting to get like a nice autumny bath bomb from Lush, so we'll have a look. And I also want to have a look in Primark as well. I mean, when do I not want to look in Primark? But I keep seeing Primark all over my For You page on Instagram and TikTok, and so it is making me want to go in there even more. I'm really holding myself back today. Because I'm about to go to the gym. If you can't tell, I'm in a sports bra. And my gym is not far from Primark, so I was really debating whether to head into a Primark today, but I'm saying no, save yourself for Saturday and then you can go all out. If I manage to get like a good amount of bits, maybe I'll do a separate Primark haul for you guys, let me know, or I'll just show you in the vlog depending on how much I get. I literally have no idea. I do want to get some new pyjamas, so we'll have a look for those. And yeah, I thought I would just bring you guys along for another week.
You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different, still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments, doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your colors, they kinda tell me what I'm thinking.
Happy Saturday, guys. Today I'm off shopping with my mum, so I thought I would bring you guys along in case I see anything nice. Also, I kind of did my bangs, my little fringe, a little bit different today. I like left them in a roller while I was doing my makeup, so they'd go like all flicky, and I really like it. So maybe that's how I should do my bangs more often. I got new nails, oh my god. I never ever get anything other than a very pale pink or a French, so this is very out of my comfort zone. But I am loving the dark nails for autumn. Super autumn vibes. I love it. And then this is my outfit today. So this top is from We Are Tala or Tala. I still am not 100% sure, but I love it. The stuff from Tala, no joke guys, it is quite expensive, but it is the best quality. It is so buttery soft. Honestly, like everything that I've got from there, and I've got like a good few things from there now. I love everything. I'm obsessed with everything. So yeah, this is my new top from Oliviaalix. I really wanted the long sleeve one, but they had sold out of the small. So I got this little version instead. Still think it's really cute, and it's good for layering. Always good for a layering piece. And then these jeans are from Cotton On. And again, Cotton On do the best jeans. If you haven't tried Cotton On jeans, you need to try them. They are so good. And then I think I'm just going to put my Uggs on. And I need to find a jacket. But yeah, I thought I'd pop on, show you guys my new nails. I am late. I'm like 10 minutes late. I should have left at 12:30. It's oh no, I'm 15 minutes late. Oh god. So yeah, I'm gonna head off and I will bring you guys along.
I fell in love with your colors. They kinda tell me what I'm thinking. I fell in love with the way we are and the way we lose it. There's something different about us, and the reason why we stay. We fly around like paper planes. They never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are. Cup after cup, yeah, it's just the way we do it. Anything just to block out the real life. Yeah, we're loving the way they think we're so messed up. Even if what we're doing is bad, there's so many emotions. Sharing stories that we never had, yeah, none is real. I think we're searching for reasons not to.
I just got a Biscoff hot chocolate. Oh my god, it is so good. I've never tasted something so amazing in my entire life. We've gone pumpkin picking. If you guys hadn't guessed already, but look at this. Look at the vibes. Oh my god. So we picked all of our pumpkins already. We went and got a hot chocolate and a millionaire shortbread. I'm going to eat my millionaire shortbread on the way home. And my battery is flashing, so that's great. But yeah, I've got my millionaire shortbread. I've got my Biscoff hot chocolate. We're going to go pay for our pumpkins and head back. But yeah, my battery is flashing. Also, look how cute my jacket is. It's from Boohoo. So cute. Yeah, another annual day ticked off. Some of you might say it's a bit early, but it's Christmas, guys. It's Christmas. I want him for outside the flat. I like the gingerbread stuff.
Yeah.
Oh my god, look at this one. This one's 80.
Massive.
I know. You guys saw that we went pumpkin picking and we picked all of our pumpkins. So I'm going to give them a little rinse and then I'm going to display them. So I'm going to put the bigger ones outside the flat, outside of our front door. Some people say that's pointless because no one will really see them, but I know that they're there. So that's all that really matters, really. And the littler ones I'm just gonna pop around in the living room somewhere. I think maybe on the TV unit, maybe on the windowsill. We'll have a little play around and see what we're thinking. Also, look at this soap that I got last year in Bath & Body Works. It's Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin, and future me is thanking myself so hard because I really thought into the future there. I knew I'd want that, and lo and behold, I did want that. It was just what this kitchen needed. But yeah, let's rinse these pumpkins and then pop them out.
There's something different about us. We're pouring cup after cup after cup. Yeah, it's just the way we do it. Anything just to block out the real life, real life. Yeah, we're loving the way they think we're so messed up, Even if what we're doing is bad, there's so many emotions. Sharing stories that we never had, yeah, none is real. I think we're searching for reasons not to be like them. We fly around like paper planes, they never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about us.
So I am back home. It's Monday. It is the evening. I'm in my pajamas, but before I get this video up, I want to quickly show you the pieces that I picked up from Primark. So starting off with this little PJ romper. How cute is this? I am literally obsessed with it. It's got like little flowers on it, and it was, I've still got the tag in it because I need to take it out, £14. So yeah, I love this so much. It's so cute and it's so comfy, and like look at the little frills on the sleeves, so cute. Let me pop you here so I can show you. So I also picked up this little Christmas tree because this is literally the cutest thing ever, and it's going to look so cute on the console table. The White Company did one literally exactly like this last year, but obviously so much more expensive. This was £4.50, so bargain. I also picked up a new pair of slippers. So I love slippers. Like this time of year I literally live in slippers, and I do have a pair from the White Company, but they're open toe and I wanted a closed toe pair, and these are so soft. They literally feel exactly like the White Company, I'm not gonna lie. Obviously just a fraction of the price again. These were £6, and I always size up in my slippers, so these are a 5 to 6, and I'm normally about a 4. And these are memory foam as well, so they're going to be super comfy. I'm actually going to keep these out so I can wear them tonight. I also picked up the matching sets, like the little underwear matching sets. You literally can't go into Primark without picking one of these sets up. They're just a staple at this point. I literally have them in every single colour, but I'm not sure if the navy is new, but I've never seen the navy, so I picked the navy up. Still sticking with Christmas, I picked up this little gingerbread man. How cute is he? Literally can't wait to put him up on, like, by the TV, like on our new shelves. My battery is flashing. Hopefully it doesn't die on me. Literally the main event though, what I'm so excited for that I picked up in Primark, was matching pajamas. How cute are these? So I got a pair for me, a pair for Billy, and a doggy pair. This one's for Lily and it's got a little hood on it. How cute are these? And it's got like little woodland creatures on. So the adult ones were £13 each, and the little doggy one was £6. So that is so cute. And I also picked up a little Lush bath bomb. This is the Ghosty bath bomb for a little Halloween bath, which I'm really excited for. It smells so good. It smells like lemon sherbet, so yeah. But I'm gonna finish this video here because my battery is flashing. Hope you guys enjoyed this little autumn vlog, and I will see you in the next video.